Hola friends, welcome back to another episode of Cafe Con Lissette. Cheers to you. Today let's talk about some of the things that we can do to mitigate our homes, to prevent damage, and to also save money on our insurance premiums. We know, insurance premiums are stabilizing right now because of all of the changes that have happened in the legislature. And there's companies that are coming into the marketplace. But what can we do to get the best premium that we can possibly get on our insurances? And aside from that, just prevent our homes from damage, right? And of course, we know that the most important thing that the insurance companies look for is the conditions of your roof. So if you're like us, that our home is coming close to needing a roof replacement because it's getting a little old, those are some of the things that insurance companies look for. And it also gives you the opportunity to be able to shop through different carriers because your roof is in better conditions. Another thing that they look for is the age of your water heater. We know that when your water heater explodes, and ours has exploded twice, luckily ours is outside in the garage and hasn't had any damage inside the house, but a lot of these water heaters are still inside the homes. And if your water heater is old and it busts, it can cause a lot of water damage to your property. What can we do outside? We know that storm shutters or impact glass to all our openings gives us credits on our homes, and we have to make sure that every single opening has a protection, whether it be impact window or whether it be a storm shutter, and that gives you the maximum credits on your policy. On the outside, we should make sure that we're trimming our trees so they're not overhanging our roof in case there's a little wind and it falls on the roof and it damages it. We clean out our gutters so things don't accumulate in there and water stays in there. There's also, which is occurring with a lot of insurance companies now, they're sending you water leak detectors that you put in your bathrooms and your kitchen sinks, that it detects and notifies you on an app on your cell phone to let you know that there's a leak in your home somewhere. And they're also offering discounts for these leak detectors. What else can we do? We can make sure that we're sealing our windows and our doors. I know that my tica in our office the other day was telling me that the last time there was a rainstorm, a really big rainstorm, wind-driven rain came through the front door of her house. So what she's doing now is putting like a little sealer at the bottom of her door to prevent that from happening in the future again. So it's our responsibility to kind of prevent as much damage as we possibly can and to keep our houses in check, right? So we get the maximum amount of discounts as well for our policies and have more availability of markets to be able to shop your home for insurance. So that's my tidbit for today. It's lovely to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Until next time, dale que tú puedes.